can never go wrong with surf and turf. So I like a good ribeye, marinate it with a little bit of olive oil, garlic, shallot, salt, pepper, some lime juice to help break it down. Just marinate for like an hour or two. And then I grill it to a good medium rare. And I also will grill a lobster tail, or you can butter poach a lobster tail. So you just take some butter, and it's butter, and I use some tarragon. I like using lemongrass, some garlic cloves. Just let it simmer for about a half hour, 45 minutes on low heat, and then bring it to a medium heat. Put the lobster tail in it, and then let it cook, and then split them. And then I like to serve it with a dauphinoise potato, and that's basically a fancy au gratin potato, but it's layers of potatoes, cheese, and a garlic thyme cream sauce in between each layer. And it gets cooked and baked, and it's amazing. And then I go for a bacon wrapped asparagus with a little bit of seasoned olive oil on top. It's really good. Makes a great date night.